All right, we are back. Let's do it. Okay, using MongoDB connection strings. Wait, let me turn on my fan. Okay, kind of pasted on. Right. This video you are looking at is part of lesson one using MongoDB connection strings from MongoDB University. Here is lesson, so you don't need to watch it. Purpose of connection strings. Explain what a MongoDB connection string is. URL format. Use it to tell applications how to connect to a MongoDB database. Okay. Yeah, this is what we are seeing right now, right? So different drivers, Node.js, Python, etc. use a connection string to establish a connection. Demonstrates plugging the string into code snippets like or tools like Compass. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it contains only quiz. So which of the pre-formatted connection strings are available in the Atlas dashboard? Which are the pre-formatted strings available in the Atlas dashboard? If we get any comments, okay. We got the shell, we got the application, we got the compass, we got the charts, we got everything. MongoDB Charts is a data visualization tool that you can use with your MongoDB data. Open the Atlas dashboard to check. Okay, we got the shell, we got the application, and we got the compass. Okay, click each option followed by its corresponding match below. What to do? Says your required prefix that identifies. Okay, yeah, this is the host and port, and these are the options. Nice, the quizzes are interactive. All right. They would not leave you until you completely learn things, and that is a good thing, right? Mongo SH. Wow. Welcome, Shankar. In this lab, you will authenticate using a verification code from the terminal to associate your existing Atlas account. After authenticating, you will return to this window. Copy the verification code in the terminal by highlighting and then clicking it. Okay, copied, and then we are opening a new. Okay. Ah, no. Okay, maybe you should continue with Google or something. Atlas. No, what needs to be done? Once you have authenticated in the MongoDB Atlas web page, return to this lab in the browser. Your profile is now configured. Okay, something's already missing. My MDB edu. Uh, music, Okay, here. Okay. We successfully messed it up, it seems. Linux native. Nice. Choose a default organization. Okay. That is it. Yeah. Now what? Okay. Copy and paste the following comments to get the connection string. Okay. Atlas clusters, connection strings, describe my Atlas cluster EDU. Atlas. Let's type it because why not? You need a semicolon. What? Let's see. Really? Uh, okay, you are not supposed to use CTRLs. Yeah. What to do? Alright, I hope my voice is audible. There seems to be an inconsistency in the internet, but yeah, now we are good. Where are we? Yep, the labs are done hard. I can see that for sure. Okay, now we are supposed to do it once again. Yep. So as we have seen, this thing is not working out, right? Yeah, not inside Mongo SHR. Okay, you need to exit and then you need to run this. I see. Nice. Okay, they are supposed to say this. Success. Nice. Mhm. Great, completed. Okay, okay, okay. I completed three tasks in 3 units. Which REPL environment does the MongoDB shall use? Okay. MongoDB shall use. It uses Perl or Bash. Okay, Node.js. Node, okay. It uses Node. Yeah, okay. To connect to your Atlas cluster with a MongoDB shell, what do you need to run in the command line? Connection string, right? Yeah. My guy is back. Which of the following describes MongoDB Compass? Node.js REPL environments uses to interact with the database or data visualization. You, this thing, if I'm not wrong. Okay, no. Graphical user interface, querying. Okay. Mhm. So yeah, what does a MongoDB driver do? If I'm not wrong, that, yes, it is that. Visit the official MongoDB documentation. Node should be supported by that, right? Okay. So C hash is supported. Go. Okay. Go is supported. Node. Node is supported. Pascal. No, I don't think Pascal is supported. Okay, it is clickable. Nice. Nice actually. C, C++, C hash, Go. Right, where is Python? This is enough for us. If we were to ever learn troubleshooting, Django, fast API. How do you fix the error? Client cannot connect with the MongoDB Atlas cluster because of network access restrictions. Add your IP address in the network access panel in Atlas. Okay. Yeah, if the connection is closed. Wait, is it wrong? I did not check that. Okay. Mongo server error authentication failed. Check that you are connecting to the correct database deployment. Even if you enter correct username and password, you should confirm that you are connected. We completed it then. How many did we complete? Three units are completed. Okay. Now we are about to do some CRUD operations. Proof of completion. Raghu Vishwanath. MongoDB CRUD. Integrated development. Single document into accounts. Okay. Using Mongo SH tab. Once the documents are inserted, okay. Uh, okay, there are two tabs given. Insert one method. Okay. Okay. Switch to your database. Hmm. Okay. db dot my code. Even sound code. Sample collection name. Then append insert onto the collection name. Okay. db.account.insert1. I see. So let's paste it exactly. Acknowledge the true. Finally, db.accounts.find one account ID. db.accounts.find one. That's it. Fine. Oh my god. We use the camel case over here. Alright. Nice. Nice. The labs are actually good to do. Insert multiple documents, insert many, do the you are actually supposed to know JavaScript to do this, but you do not know JavaScript in the first place. So, yeah, just copy pasting the code. Okay, yeah, 38 minutes. Alright, alright. Insert one as a method. It's not many. Nice. Wow. ID field and a find command. Find a document using equality. If successful, the command should return the form. Okay. First, design a query. So you are finding this, okay. And then you are finding another thing. Hmm. What will happen if you click run OK? Identifier directly after a number. Why is it saying there? Twenty 12 03 T18. That's it, right? You cannot ISO string, okay. So the quotations are important. It is saying no. That is not what I meant. So uh, uncaught identifier. Maybe how about now? Yeah, right. In the review and solved code, in the review and solved code, the quotation. Really? Okay, you need to load that, right? Okay, that worked out. Find documents. Okay. Nice. Nice. In the first part of the solution, this is the correct query. Nothing major is wrong. And the ISO string, ISO date string is missing semicolon. Please fix it. And the solution Checks out. Yeah, I guess that checks out. Finding documents, we have dot find, right? Yes, we have dot find. And at a small area in a downtown Chicago with the following zip codes. Where document should be used to ensure that only the document with specified zip codes are returned. In or EQ. Okay, that is in. Yeah, in operator. EQ stands for equals, I guess. Okay, what happened? Comparison query operators. Okay. Finding documents using comparison GT greater than LT less than LTE less than or equal to GTE greater than or equal to. Nice. Nice. How much progress do we have? 40% for this one. So there is still 60%, and after that, I will close this live and yeah, I will continue it tomorrow. Okay, Mongo system to comment on the sales. Items price greater than 200. It should return that. Okay, let us see the hints. DB dot records dot find sales quantity greater than 1000. It is an example, but we need to items dot price. Okay, try to get into solution directly. All sales documents. Okay, DB dot sales dot find. Open it out and paste it. That's it. And close it and enter. Nice. Yeah, it returned a big thing. Once you have completed, check that. That's it. Nice. LT. Okay. Uh, what is that one? DB dot sales dot find, right? Yep. DB dot sales dot find. That's it. Nice. So GTLT and GLT, right? Okay, GT greater than or equal to DB not sales dot find. What if you do it without doing it? We have LT now. Let's check it and see if it is working. Nope, it is not working out alright. DB don't seem so fine. Nice. Open lab. We finished it. With a satisfaction rating of 1 or 2. Okay, so GT uh, LTE2. Yeah, LTE2 returns. Wow, nice. Special discount for customers who are 65 and older. Okay, GTE 65. What is the difference between these two things over here? Okay, customer's age is put in quotation marks, which you should not. Wait, you should? Okay, okay. Let's retake it again. LT2. Okay, and customer's age is a string. So greater than 64 is 65, or greater than or equal to 65 starts from 65. That's it. My God. db.accounts.find products investment fund element match. So all right, wait, wait. So lab activity is not mandatory. Let's see. Which of the following operations can be used to find a subdocument that matches specific criteria in an array? Element match, right? Yeah, I just read it. So genre historical. All documents where genre find is equal to either the scalar value of historical genre field. Yeah, because it does not return historical anywhere. It checks for the genre. No, it is not checking for lab. Oh my god. But still, I would love to do the lab. And or and okay. But still, doing lab is important. That is what differentiates you from everybody else, right? But the problem is it is taking a lot of time. Mhm. Sector mobile food vendors. I don't know, yeah. db.root.find and all flights departing from or landing at Istanbul Airport IST that are non-stop or operated by Turkish Airlines. Okay, all flights and this seems correct. Yep. Okay. There is a problem with my throat, it seems. Nice. Okay. Mongo SH. Can it run? No, I don't think it can run. Nice. Lab should be kept mandatory if I'm not wrong. Mm, nice. Mm, all right. This seems to be the conclusion of this live stream because I need to sleep and got some other works to do as well. Yeah, it is a good class. How many did we complete? We completed 4 units. CRUD operations. We did CRUD operations. All right. Um, wow. Migrate and integrate with MongoDB. Okay, it is showing the same thing. Okay, you need to click on view or no. Catalog. Wow, I mean, wow, just wow, oh my god. There is just a lot. Yep.